Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. Well, it's a Friday and as you all know, what time is it? What time is it? It's Vegan Friday time. What we got now is Plant Lively Menu Vegan. No chicken katsu bakes, wrapped in flaky golden puff pastry. There you go. I'm having one of them. And for afters, the second video is Ben & Jerry's vegan cookies on cookie dough. Non-dairy ice cream as well. How good am I to you, eh? Now with these, I'm having some of the McCain jackets as well. What 4 in there. These babies are a 10 out of 10 with a gold star. These babies are. How much were they today? These were from your store, your favourite Jeanette the Egg, Sainsbury's. £2 for 4, 50p. They are awesome. 10 out of 10 with a gold star, them jackets. And I'm having some garden peas with that and a jacket potato as well. So I'm going to pause it. I'm going to do it now and get back to you. For you, it'll be like that. For me, it'll be about half an hour to an hour, and then we'll check what these are like. Hey, so let's get down to Vegan Friday. See you in a minute. Hey, hello. Well, welcome back. Right, we got that now. There it is. Hey, let's see what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Right. So, look at that. Right. Let's give it a taste test. It's Vegan Friday, so let's try this. Right. Right. See them, can't you? You certainly taste the Katsu. No two ways about it. Yep. Hot. 1 second. 1 second, net yet? You can definitely taste the Katsu from them. Sorry if I've lost the receipt in it. They're from Aldi, but I don't know how much they are, and it says they're new. What have you? If I find out the price, I'll leave it in the comments. But what am I going to give it? Marks out of 10. That. Nine out of 10. Yes, you heard me right. It's a 9 out of 10. I've got another slice in there. Look, I'll have another day. I don't want to. So I've got my baked potato to go with this, and my peas in a minute as well. That's my tea. So yeah. So the vegan, no chicken katsu bakes wrapped in flaky golden puff pastry are a 9 out of 10. They're on my channel. Well, keep watching because I've got a vegan cookie dough ice cream coming up from Ben and Jerry's as well on another video. I tried to make it now, this new vegan thing. 2 things. A main, like some sort of main, and some sort of sweet. So the sweet this week is the cookie dough ice cream, vegan. Ben and Jerry's, which are a good make anyway. So, right, see you on the next one. 9 out of 10 that.